Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use different types of filter in Power BI. So in here we can see three types of filters on this visual, filter on this page, filter on all pages. So filter on these visuals basically used for particular visuals. Suppose I select these visuals and the filter will use for only these visuals, not for any other visuals. So whenever we are filtering here, suppose here filter type here like basic, advanced, and top bottom rules. Like now basic filtering is, suppose we want to select some accessories or appliance, art, something like that. Whatever we want we can select. This is kind of filtering, basic filtering. Suppose top n basically like top 5 items or top 5 subcategory we want to see, something like that. Then we can select top 5, top bottom same way, the lowest end, and top 5 like something based on what, by value, based on sales, then apply filter. So if we don't use these, don't select any by value, then we cannot find the top 5, top 10, or bottom 5, bottom 10 any items. So we have to select the by value and apply filter. Then we can see there are top 5 subcategories. The phone is the highest subcategories, which is basically the highest sales amount here, something like that, 197,000 the sales amount. And the thing is that this is basically used for only these visuals. There are some advanced filtering, like advanced filtering contains, suppose anything like in advanced format, contains, does not contain, start with something. Suppose we want to see some values or some subcategories which start with A, apply filter. Only A, which items start with A, this is showing something like that. Then if you want to something, or and items basically is kind of logic or function. Suppose any other thing we can see here, like start with C, something like that. That means A and C items, start with A items and start with C items will show here. And if you want based on other filtering or other categories, like suppose I want to see something based on region, based on the region, so I just set the region at filter items. Then we can filtering like basic items, like basic filtering, something like that. Suppose I want to see what about the subcategory sales in central. Suppose I don't want the filter here, I just filtering the central, east, south, west, something like region based. And I want to some top 5 items, something like that. Okay, so this is the thing. And by value is sales value, that's why I using this by value. Top 5 items which selling the highest amount in central. So the same type like east, south, we can select anything. Okay, here also we can use top 10, top items, advanced filtering also. So this is the same way, and this is used for particular these visuals, not for any other visuals. Okay, and so if we want something like that, filter on this page, that means all of the visuals, whatever we are seeing in this page, we can see there are two visuals here. So if you use another visuals like ship mode based on sales, something different. Okay, ship mode and sales amount, and I use the pie chart. So there are another pie chart. The another filter type is filter on this page. So filter on this page basically used for whenever we have multiple visuals in our page, and if we use any filter, it will affect all of the visuals here. Suppose there are 3 visuals here, and if I use like shipment or segment as a filter on this page, if I select consumer as a suppose I want to see what about the sales amount or sales in consumer segment. Okay, so then whenever I select the consumer, and all of the visuals basically impacted by whatever we use or whatever filtering. And this is the same way and the other thing is like filter on all pages. That means whenever we use filter, it will impact all pages, also the other pages. There are 4 pages here, and if I use filter, it will impact pages visuals. Okay, all pages. Suppose I want to see whatever the category as a filter. So here is furniture, office supplies and technology. So if I want to see whatever the furniture, and it will impact all other visuals also. Okay, suppose if I want to see like furniture, only the furniture I selected, all pages, and it will show impact the all pages also, like something like that. Office supplies, here also impacted, here also, here also, and the thing is here. Okay, so that means there are mainly 3 types of filter used: filter on this page, filter on all pages, and filter on particular visuals or on these visuals. Okay,